what I'm really hoping for is like some squishies or something. I don't know.
So what's this?
We got lucky because they're restocking today. So, okay, so they're out of squishies. So I'm looking for phone protection. I found this little pop-it thing, but I want a new phone case, so I'm gonna be looking. Okay, so the phone case didn't fit, so we had to return it. But now we're going to NeeDoh's.
On the way out.
But they're gonna be going to get it. We're at the mall and I'm so excited. I'm gonna get, me and James are both getting two. So I'm so excited. So I got the nice baby. They're both blue. I got the blue nice baby and the blue ice cube, the big one. So yes. Well, to end off the video, Five Below wasn't a success, but NeeDoh's was. So yeah.